Welcome back to this channel, and we are to find the derivative of this function. So when you look at this function, we have a lot of things going on here. So we have the cubic function, the exponential function, and we also have the trigonometry function. So let's do it. And when you look at those functions, they are multiplying each other. So definitely we are going to use product rule. Except for this, we can see that we have this trigonometric function. There's a linear function inside, so it's a composite function. So we are going to use chain rule with that, but it's simple. So let's start. So we have, let's say that let u, let me use this. Let u be equals to s cubed. Okay. Then let's say now u prime, which is the derivative of s cubed, will now be 3x squared. Now let's say v equals to this, and the derivative of this will give you 2a to x. Okay, if you don't know how to do this, please watch my video where I explain all these derivative of parent functions. So we also have w, which is sine 5x. So if you find the differential of this, is going to give you 5 cos 5x. So, and that is it. Now for product rule, we now say that y prime of this whole thing, UVW, is going to give you, is going to be the product of U prime W, the product of Oyibo Akare, is going to be the product of U prime VW, then plus U, the product of UV prime W, then plus the product of UVW prime. Okay, so let's do that. So what is U prime? U prime is 3x squared. So I'll say 3x squared multiply by V, which is e power x power 2x, then multiply by W, which is sine 5x. So plus U is s cubed, V prime is 2x power 2x, then W is multiplied by sine 5x. Now the last term, which is u is s cubed multiplied by v, which is e to the power of 2x, then w, which is multiplied by 5 cos 5x. And we just simplify. So our y prime will now be, we have 3x squared here, we have s cubed here, we have s cubed here, and we have e to the power of 2x, e to the power of 2x, e to the power of 2x. So you can bring all those together, and here you have s cubed, s squared, s cubed, s cubed. So I can put it this way. I'll say s squared multiplied by 2e to the power of 2x will now be in the bracket of 3, then sine 5x, then plus x sine 5x, then we now have plus x 5 cos 5x. And that is how to find the derivative of this type of complex functions. See you in my next video. Out.